Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we are gonna make the next component from the pipe wrench, and it will be this wheel, adjusting wheel. And let's begin. First let's open a new SolidWorks document, select here part, and now let's make here plane white. Let's open a sketch in the top plane, and here we'll make a circle with the diameter 32 millimeters. And now go to features, use extruded boss base command, and here should be 17. Press here OK. And now we'll open a sketch on this face. And here let's start with a center line. Make it horizontal, and now with line we'll make the next triangle. Select this center line with these two lines from the triangle and select here make symmetric. And now with smart dimension let's define it. From this point to this center point here will be 14. The angle between them will be 60. And now select this line with this edge and select here make tangent. Now we'll go to features, use extruded cut, and here we'll select through all and press OK. And I'll have to multiply this around this face. To do that we'll go up here to linear pattern and we'll select circular pattern. The direction will be this face or this edge. The feature will be this extruded cut and the instances will be 60. Press OK. This is good. Now let's go back to this boss extruded. Click on this sketch and select here show. We're gonna need it. And now let's go up here to insert, go to part, and now go to browse, and let's look for the last part we just made, and we saved it halfway, and it should look like this. So we'll have to import this part so we can make the, let's say, fillet inside this. This is actually like a nut. Okay, and after you import this part, let's use mate to locate it in the center of this part. So we'll start with this face. So first select this face with this one, and we'll select here distance. Let's make here 5, and we can select here okay, let's try again, these two, distance 5, and as we can see it's above, this one is above this one, and we need this one to be beneath this one. So we'll have to click here flip dimension, and now it's under this face. This is good. Click here add, and now let's select this circle, this sketch we just made visible with this round face, and here should be concentric, and click here add. Okay, this is looking better. Now press here OK one more time, and what we'll have to do next is to select here intersect. It's like we made with the last part, and select here create intersecting regions. We'll have to select these two parts, intersect, and now we'll have to select the regions we want to eliminate. Will be this one, will be this one, and here this one you don't have to select it because it's the part we want to keep. So we'll select this other one. Press here OK. And now let's hide this sketch. Now this is looking not very nice, but we can make it look a little bit better. To do that, let's open a sketch in the front plane. And here let's make hidden lines visible. Okay, we'll start with a center line. Make sure that you make it in this center point, because this is in the center of our part. Okay, and now let's make another center line. This other center line should be in the center of the first center line. Okay, now select line and let's make the next sketch. Make something like this. And now we'll have to give some dimensions, and we'll select smart dimension for that. And first, the angle from this line to this edge here will be 30 degrees. Okay, now we can delete some of these mates here, so we can move it. And now from this point to this edge here will be 2 millimeters. From this line to this one here will be 3. Let's see, from the center line to this point here should be 9.7. 9.7 it's okay. And this one, this line should have 10.57. It's also good. What matters is this point to be here, and this line. This one can be up to this center line. It doesn't actually really matter. Okay, now what we'll have to do is to select this sketch with this center line and select mirror entities command. Now go to features and use revolved cut. And here as axis of revolution, we'll select the first center line if we can find it. Okay, I think this is it. Yeah, this should be. And press OK. Now let's go back and select this one. And now this is looking a lot better. You can play around with that sketch there, and you can adjust it as you want it to make it look better. Alright, and this is the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.